the world was Flathead Terry riding there? Well, I was riding a 1942 BSA WM20, served in World War II as part of the British Army. You can see here it's painted a very shiny olive drab. It looks like they painted just about everything they could. There's a lot of overspray and everything all over. So, in true Flathead Terry fashion here, I decided to strip it down and start all over. So here's a picture of, I took it all the way down to the frame and repainted it olive drab, the correct color, as you can see there. So I ended up to, next item there was working on the wheels. Started to get those together. We did all the spokes and brake drums and all of that. But before I got too far, I ended up running into an issue with the engine. So took the engine apart just as a safety precaution and noticed that the piston was rubbing on one side of the cylinder and there's a large gap on the other side of it. So looks like I had a bent connecting rod. So decided to take the cylinder off, and lo and behold, I was correct. Look at how that connecting rod is kind of pushed over to the left. So instead of cracking the cases, I decided to put a nice big rod into that connecting rod and start bending it over. And it took me a while, but I was able to eventually get it bent straight. Took a lot of measurements off the crankcases. Finally got it right. So pretty happy about that. So next, got that completed, put the whole engine back together. Here's another photograph of it actually with the motor in it, transmission back in it. Getting closer as I moved along the line there. And then here's another picture of when I finished it. About a year or so later, was able to get it complete. It was nice having it almost all complete and running, and go from there. So here's some other pictures here from the other views. Turned out really nice. I was able to find some information on the different armies and regiments in the British Army, and was able to apply those to the gas tank, and looked at some original photographs. That helped a lot too. So let's go for a ride. And we're just going to go down to the block and then come on. Now we gotta do it all over.
Houston,
We have a problem.
what happened?
I didn't give it enough gas. I didn't let it warm up either.
Oops.
Okay, here we go again.
Trial 2.
Take 2. Okay, we got the valves on.